Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set Apple Music Dolby Atmos to always on, off, or automatic. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, we're going to go down and tap on Music. In the music setting page, go down to the audio section and tap on Dolby Atmos. And here you can choose automatic, always on or off. So let's say if I'm going to choose always on, it said that not supported on all speakers. So some device will be supported while other will not. If you are sure, just simply tap on the turn on button, or you could choose off or automatic. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.